Attorney Colton Hayes.
How y'all doing? Like Scott said, my name's Colton Hay, and that's my fiance back there, and that's my mom there too. I kind of have a speech I've been telling most people, anybody that'll listen, and just because we have time constraints and I've got some new things I'd like to talk about, I'm going to leave out all the good stuff about, my schooling and things like that, but just for the new faces, I'm an assistant district attorney in Anderson County right now, and they don't have a county attorney over there, so as an assistant district attorney, I handle pretty much everything the county attorney does here, just over there. Okay? So I'm running for Trinity County Attorney, and I guess you could say my platform is, and the thing I see that the county needs is prosecution on misdemeanors. Okay, I'm seeing a hole, and it's a problem. And it's a problem for several reasons, and I'm going to tell you, just the main ones right now. Firstly, we're leaving money on the table. Okay, every fine, every court cost, every misdemeanor case that's pled, that's money that could go into the county's general revenue fund, and we could use that to put the things in the county attorney's office. Would be an asset instead of just something that the county has to pay for. So we could be giving back to the community, by serving the community, and that's something I really see needs to be done. Secondly, we have enhanceable offenses, DWIs, thefts, assault causing bodily injury, family violence. Now with those, an enhanceable offense is when someone does something, you get 2 or more convictions. And the reason they have that is because if someone does something 2 or more times and they're convicted, that means that, hey, this person's probably going to do it again, and they're probably going to hurt somebody or steal something really big. So they need to be punished at a felony level. Okay? And we're not getting the convictions at the misdemeanor level, so these cases are staying, just kind of in limbo in this area. They're not being progressed up to the felony level so that these people can get the punishment that they really need. And lastly, it's not fair to the people on the docket that sit there, year after year. People are staying on the docket longer than what they would have gotten on probation or they would have gotten on jail time. Now, the little Centerville, I said these things, and people said, hey, Colton, I'd like to see some numbers. So what I did was I filed an open records request with their county clerk, and I asked for all the active misdemeanor cases in Trinity County. And there's 1,700, give or take, active misdemeanor cases in Trinity County. Now, if you're like me, you really don't have, I guess, a frame of reference on how much, a county should have. So at work, I went and filed an open records request over there, and I found out in Anderson County, there's roughly 1,100 active misdemeanor cases. So Trinity County, a smaller county with roughly 15,000 people living in it, have 1,700 active misdemeanor cases. Anderson County, with roughly 54,000 people living in it, have 1,100. And so I went through and I said, maybe Trinity County just has a lot of crime or something like that. But really, everyone thinks they're special, but people are generally the same in different areas. So I went through, and 6 cases are from 1999, 68 are from 2000, 20 years old, 133 are still active from 2001. 647 cases are from 2010 or older, and 1,231 cases are from 2015 or older. So I went through, and you just hear cases, but I like to deal in specifics. So, what I talked about was DWIs and kind of victim-oriented crimes, assault causing bodily injury, violation of protective orders, enticing a child, and theft. So what I found was there's currently 328 active DWIs in Trinity County. 146 of those DWIs are over 10 years old. Now, there's a few prosecutors in the room, but it's exceptionally hard to prove a case that is 10 years old. Okay, I would say almost impossible to get people excited about a misdemeanor that is over 10 years old. Police officers have changed agencies, people have moved on, very difficult. Now we have these victim-oriented crimes, 185 of these. Now this isn't just one particular type of crime. This is harassment, stalking, violation of protective orders, enticing a child, and assaults causing bodily injury, family violence. Now, there's 185 of these active ones, 98 are 10 years older. Now with these crimes, why I picked these out, these crimes, there's a single victim that is asking the county for help. They went to law enforcement, which is very difficult. A lot of these people don't go out to law enforcement to seek help. But these people did, and they were failed. Got about a minute? You got about 20 seconds. Okay. So, like I've said before, don't fret. This is a problem. I can fix it, and I will fix it by working hard. I try cases every day, and I want to bring that staunch trial advocacy, that hard work back home to Trinity County, and I want to prosecute these people. I want to get the docket right, and I know that it's not just misdemeanors, but I will take the whole job into consideration, and I will fix the things that need to be fixed. I appreciate you hearing me. My name is Colton Hay. I'm Upper County Attorney, and remember, vote Hay on Election Day.